See, there are two things. On date also trains are tracked. What we have in control office which monitors the train operation, the controller sitting over there knows exactly each and every train where it is. What we call in this block section. Block section is the area between two stations. So that data already we have in our system in control office application. From that system only, when you raise a query, if you have to pick up somebody from some station, say New Delhi, Rajdhani se koi aa raha hai, you have to pick up, you check up where the train is. It will tell you it has passed this station but not yet crossed the next station. So that data in some coarse form is already there. When we say live, this is also live, right? But accuracy can be increased. Suppose you put a device on the train and that train is sending its location, then I can track it meter by meter. So there are devices which are being put in that direction. Bullet train Mumbai-Ahmedabad corridor, already the special purpose vehicle is formed. They intend to use drone survey and lidar survey, both of them, in a big way, so that the speed of work is faster. And they are not going to use the conventional methods of surveying. Definitely they are going to use both these methods. Basically, when we get this drone survey or GIS survey done, our divisions and other zones, they outsource it to agencies. There are a couple of agencies in country, no doubt about it. We need to explain them exactly what we need. And normally we have found that our needs, as far as the railways is concerned, are slightly different from the conventional needs in the market as it is, be it highway authorities or be it some city municipalities. So that normally happens. It's a very normal thing. Every organization will have different needs, and what we are doing, we have made a technical protocol that what we need, how it is to be done, what accuracy, what scale should be given. So we tend to provide that document to them, that you have to have people who understand this and do the work as per that. As far as this technology development is concerned, Chris is our one wing, IT wing, which does the software part of it. But this being a new area, so Chris is also getting their people trained in this direction. We don't have many people who are trained in this field, but we are working in that direction. Like Chris is training their people who are working on GIS portals.